Okay, Hardway Garage will run with work phase 2 on the 54 Chevy 5 window. Basically, last time, if you remember, we got it to crank over. We have not given it any spark yet. We are just jumping the solenoid here to get it to turn over to see if it would do that. We're not going to worry about the wiring in the truck yet. Drew pulled out the plugs and looked at them. They all looked really nice and dry and not wet, oily, nothing. The craziest thing happened though. He lifted the lever on this pressure cap and it hissed and pressure came out. We have no idea.
And that was before we even tried to start it.
That was before we did anything. So how this radiator had any pressure in it, I don't know. Maybe setting in the sun, but the hood's been down, so that's a mystery. So basically the next step was to see what kind of fuel we got and if the fuel pump is working. So what we did, if you remember that fuel bowl, which was right here, and filter was all full of crud and everything, so Drew took it off, and it's soaking inside to be cleaned out. And we hooked this temporary hose on here. This is the line right from the fuel pump. And we've got to go into this little glass jar right here. So what we're going to do, we're going to crank it over, and we're going to see what kind of fuel is coming out of the tank into the fuel pump. And we'll know by looking in this glass jar if it's total garbage, how it smells, add some fresh or whatever. So, are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, you do the honors.
Here
go
we
ahead
go.
And crank it, see what happens. That's it, give it a little rest. Of course, we're assuming there's gas in the tank too, which may not be the best. There it comes. Okay, look at there. Fuel pump is pumping. We're going to pump a couple inches of gas into this bottle, rather in this ball canning jar, vintage. And then we're going to look at it. We've got an issue with the starter there every now and then. I'm hoping there's not some broken teeth on the flywheel. Because if it stops in a certain spot. Okay, that's good. Our battery's getting low. Okay?
Doesn't look great.
We're going to pull our hose out of here.